Good morning everyone and welcome to Morning Markets. My name's Chris Leyland and I'm Director of Investment Strategy here at True Potential. Now just on the slide what you can see is the performance of equity markets, but what I want to talk about is just how equity markets have moved overnight. So you've seen China up just over 1% and Japan up 0.4%. And actually equity futures in Europe and the UK are guiding to a positive open. Oil was also strong, up 3.5%, with Brent crude at $71.6, although still not back to pre-Omicron levels. But look, what will I talk about today? So today I want to look at the comments coming from Jerome Powell. So Jerome Powell, if you don't know, he's the chairman of the US Central Bank. So that's the Federal Reserve. So that's the equivalent of the Bank of England. But what did Powell come out and say? So Jay Powell signalled his support to reduce the $120 billion a month bond purchase program quicker than what was initially guided. So in his words exactly, he said the economy is very strong and inflationary pressures are high. It's therefore appropriate, in my view, to consider wrapping up the taper of our asset purchases, perhaps a few months sooner. So the central bank began scaling back its $120 billion a month asset purchase program several weeks ago, and they did that by $15 billion a month. So that's a pace that puts it on track to cease its bond buys in June. But look, why is this important? Why am I talking about it? It's important as Powell's comments paved the way for the Fed to start to raise interest rates. A few days ago, investors believed that rate rises would come through later than expected due to the new variant. Powell's comments have led investors to adjust those expectations. But what do we think? So US equities sold off margin yesterday on the back of this news. However, the reality is Powell is signalling that economic growth is strong and overall the US economy is strong enough to withstand the rate rise. We believe that Powell is very focused on the data and the numbers and will be cognizant of not raising rates too quickly to challenge growth overall. That's everything from me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Also, please tune in for our podcast on Friday, where we're going to discuss the new Omicron variant overall, what it means for stock markets and what it could mean for you. That's everything from me. Thank you.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.